Hey everyone, I'm Brad Feldhouse with the Cash Ram Group here at Coldwell Banker, and today we're at 6994 Hearne Road. And this hidden gem is nestled on 2.5 acres, and it comes with an additional 1.5 acre building lot. We have a beautiful outdoor area with full kitchen, in-ground pool. We have beautiful flooring throughout, updated kitchen and baths. Thanks everybody for being here with us today. If you would like to schedule a private showing, please reach out, call or text us at 513-608-1199. Talk to you soon.